Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Power Plays Palace. We back again for a beautiful Tuesday day, man. Yesterday was a interesting day, man. Now, what we doing, man, is I'm about to set up a count so I can show everybody the trades every day. I think I'm gonna use um I'm gonna use my Weeble account and move some stuff around. And that's what we'll do, man. So we can actually see some of these trades, and that's gonna be a beautiful thing. So I want y'all to be around for that. So let's get into yesterday, man. Power plays Palace. Here we go. So all right. So we said we were looking for a breakout long above 692.36. Entry to 692.50 to 692.90. Stop below 691.70. Target 694, 696, 698. Um, Entry number two for puts around 691.80 to 692.20. Stop above 693.10. Target 690, 688.90, and 688.10. And that was for yesterday on Monday. So let's look and see what spot did yesterday. Boom. Look at that though. So we open up we open up here at 689.45. We come down and touch 688.34. And then from there, SPY kind of meticulously moves up. Now, from 688, it ran up 691. So a slight pullback. Then it broke through that level. And then it started to push up. And then it broke our pre-market high from yesterday. Once it broke the pre-market high from yesterday, this blue line, which is what we're talking about making our move at, it moved on up. Now, it got to 695.86. So that was the high of the day for yesterday. So if you played the chart, you don't see me covering the puts, do you? Because you played at your own risk. If you played the chart, you got to the first two levels and you got there pretty comfortably. Now, if you watching the chart and you got in early, then you played that whole move up. You could have got that whole move. But if you didn't, you still could have played the first two levels and been okay and had a good day. So that's what we at for yesterday. And so let's look at what we at for today. All right. So for today, it's where we are for today. Y'all get a good look at the chart. Pre-market high right now is 696.50. So that's where we at right now. It's about 7 o'clock, so 7:18 actually. So you see that. But the SPY breaks and holds above that 696.50. I'm looking for a continuation long with entries around 696.60 to 697 with a stop below 695.70. With my target 698.20, 700, and 702. And that's if the momentum kind of stays up and push strong. If you've been watching for the last few weeks, you know our founder of this group, Power Plays that we trade at, he said we're not gonna see a big swing until after we hit 700. So it's still progressing that way. We haven't got there yet, close, but we'll get there. I see it going there. But those are the levels for the calls. And then if it follows my pattern, then we'll see it today. If not, then hopefully we'll get close if you're playing calls. But if SPY push into that 698, 96.80 to 697.50 and start to stall, then we'll be looking for a rejection short with my stop going above 698.20, with my targets down being 695.20, 694, and 693.80. And that's if it try to push through and it doesn't break through and then it stalls out. So it'll be a pushback. And that's where I'm at today. I'll be waiting for a strong close after the first 15 minutes above or below my levels. And then from there, I get in and try to just play my levels. And I try not to, try not to race after that first candle. But you definitely want to be watching and you want to be following the trades. And then you want to keep your risk in check. Don't chase nothing. Don't do a lot of guessing. Just play your trade, man. And see how it play out. And that'll be, this is what we're trading today. Our SPY trade plan for the day. We ain't gonna be overly into it. If we gonna be bullish above 696.50 and bearish below 693.80, and we're gonna try to be patient in between those levels and try not to work our brains too hard trying to compete with the market, because the market is unpredictable. So we can see right now, already this morning, SPY done set those levels high and low of this first candle here. When it opened up, really, they set these levels. But as you can see, it's kind of operating in this zone right now. That's a mini gap. You usually don't see two in there. That's one mini gap. There's another one. Look at that. And what I mean by that is that the candle's starting and stopping without really off of the other candle. See that? This candle stopped up here, but the next candle opened way down there. And these 5-minute candles, they probably look different on the 15-minute. Look at it on the 15-minute, can't really tell. Oh, you still got that gap there. Look at that. Still got that gap there. Interesting. When I see stuff like that, I'll be trying to back test, see if I missed something. Why is that here? 695.20. We probably can go back and find something in the back here. Okay. Let's see where that's going. But like I said, for today, that's what we'll be looking at. It's early in the morning, so the market could do a lot of things by the time that open. But you can see where we at today, and that's what we're gonna play it. And that's it, man. If anything in this video that I provide helps you, hey, like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what I did right, what I did wrong. If you trading off of it, show the trade, If you want to trade with us, come over to Power Plays Palace, man. I meant Power Plays. I said Power Plays Palace. That's the name of the channel. Come over to Power Plays, man. We're in the Discord. Hey, it's Power Plays. Free to join. Come on over and work out with us. Just see what we're doing. But we'll catch up with you tomorrow, man. Go out and make some money.